We're gonna be okay. We're Hispanics, you know. How did you find out, babe? Like you woke up to go pee. This is survival mode 101. We cannot flush our toilet and it stinks. Hi, Sally. We rescued a little dog. A little update on Sally. She's doing great. She gets along with the little ones. We found out that she's in heat, so we're having all the dogs separated until we can get her spayed on March 1st. Guys, look at the line with Starbucks. Oh my goodness.
Like Starbucks, that shit garbage, dude.
Babe, I want Starbucks.
Nah, we ain't waiting 3 hours for Starbucks.
Oh, be careful, baby. You're so close. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh, look. Oh, man. Sorry, Starbucks.
I'm going to Specs. I'm going to give me some proper 12. No, you can't record in there.
Why?
Because
I'm going to take y'all with me to Fix. Because, you know, that's what followers do. Follow us everywhere we go. I wear slippers when the weather's below 30.
How you doing? You take cash at this moment right now? Okay, cash, sir. I seen it right here.
Oh, nice. Oh yeah, get it, baby. Get it. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah. Oh yeah. We found matches. Oh my goodness.
They're right there. We can just open it? Yeah, open the door.
Oh, what the? Don't.
Oh. Oh. Get a lighter?
Yeah, get a lighter, get the whole damn show, babe. We're gonna be on our way home, or we're gonna probably drive around and look for lighter fluid. So, oh, and firewood. We need firewood too. We hadn't brushed our teeth since yesterday.
Making it seem like we don't brush our teeth and shit. What's wrong with my girlfriend?
Yes,
Yeah.
I got a lot of baby wipes.
And we bought we bought a cooler and we bought some ice.
And we got all
What
that.
you buy cooler for?
So we can put all our stuff that's gonna go bad.
It's not gonna go bad porque afuera está frío.
We got cheesecake and it's going bad.
Agárralo todo y sácalo afuera. You don't need no ice.
We're just gonna get the snow from outside and put it in the cooler.
So wanna go to Home Depot?
Yes, we gotta go to Home Depot, babe. We're trying our hardest to find
but they're freaking everything that's open has
lighter
lines.
fluid.
Yeah, pues la gente.
You
Es que lo que pasa es que hay 700,000 people without electricity.
look at the people in the front. They're like struggling pretty bad to even get an opportunity to go in. It's not moving like HEB.
Yeah, that's true.
We're gonna be out here for like 2 hours.
Probably go that way, babe, so we can see how long the line is.
So you're about to see.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. Have all that water. Oh my god. Back there. How many do you want to get?
I think 4 cases.
Yeah. Oh man.
You have small bottles.
Oh no, we need big ones. They're back there. Oh, I should have worn shoes. Dang, look at that. People are grabbing waters like crazy. Oh man. You cannot find water anywhere else. Like HEB, Walmart, out of stock. This is full time, guys. We got 5 cases of water. And we're still looking for lighter fluid.
Oh,
But
big hot chips
now
are
my man
gone.
wants fake hot chips. Babe, they got hot fries.
You do?
Yeah. Oh no, it's not Popeyes. I'm sorry. I thought it was Popeyes. Oh.
They got plenty of water.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can find lighter fluid.
Alright, lighter fluid. We decided to just wait in line to eat some Chick-fil-A and no lighter fluid. Guys, acetone works amazing. Look at that. We didn't even have to use that much, right, babe?
Shit, no.
That and horse shavings and hay. Go get hay, babe. And a branch from outside. Oh, Nico's so
I know
cute.
what you can do.
What?
Put some acetone in a spray bottle.
Oh, okay. All right, let's do it.
Go do that.
Here, babe, you do it. We'll record it. I think we're too close. Are you excited? Oh, nice. Oh, babe, be careful. So we're gonna get water from the pool because we cannot flush our toilet and it stinks like dead dog in here. So instead of wasting water bottles, we're gonna go to our pool because you know we're in survival mode, right?
Not a bad idea.
I know, thanks, babe.
Let me see.
Be careful. Oh God. You got it? Get it up. Put it down. Okay.
Yeah, baby, we needed that.
Shut the. So we come to Walmart to get what? To get what, babe? To get acetone and
Shavings.
and shaving, like, you know, like pine cone shavings for horses. But we're gonna get it for rabbits because you know nobody's in that section, in the animal section right now. And we decided to get some fat back. That is.
Yeah. In fact. I think 3.
Told you guys. Up there. And we couldn't find lighter fluid, so we got torch fuel. Be careful, babe.
Should burn the same, right?
Yeah. Get how many? How much is it? $3? Get like. How many you want to get, babe? It's like a bunch. Like people don't know about it. Yeah, there you go. I feel so bad. We need to tell people, babe. Now we can tell them now that we have a good amount of supplies for ourselves, right? We got 2 Mexican ass pots, and I found $1 on the floor. Pizza time. We put lights all around our condo. We put candles. My beautiful roses. Put candles in here, and we got more. How you liking the pizza, babe? Your phone? Oh, it's in the room. We got pool water. Later we're gonna do our fire, but we got pool water to boil it, and we're gonna use that water to take a bath. Yes. This works wonders, guys. It works better than lighter fluid, and if it's not safe, then oh well. Survival mode 101.
The water is like getting a little warmer.
The water in outside?
Yeah. I'd say give it like another hour.
Yeah.
Okay. She's very happy for the bed, you saw?
Yeah, she was so grateful. I should have recorded it.
I think she'll be a good dog to keep.
What, babe?
I think she'll be a good dog to keep.
If you want to keep another dog.
I think she'd be good for you.
Should be good for what?
For you.
For Zeus?
For you.
Oh, for me? Why?
It's a big dog.
How is it good for me?
She's a girl and girls get along.
Yeah, we do.
Mm-hmm.
Notice how she was coming to me?
Mm-hmm.
And I named her before we even caught her.
Yeah. So she'd probably be a lot more loyal